Coulon is a professional one-stop supplier for mattress collection of Bonnell spring mattress, pocket spring mattress, hybrid mattress, memory foam mattress, and component accessories. Our strong production capacity are based on 20,000 square meters factory and 6 fully automatic production lines, as well as 88 sets of advanced production machinery. The annual production capacity is more than 200,000 spring mattresses with some certificates, like BS 7177, 2008 and EN 1957, 2012. Our most advantageous mattresses are all produced by ourselves, from raw materials without middlemen. Every year, the enterprise will participate in various exhibitions, such as the Canton Fair, ISPA Sleep Exhibition, Furniture Exhibition, and there are many customers have visited the factory and negotiated cooperation, especially some need the newest mattress design. So far our products have exported to more than 80 countries and regions. OEM and ODM service is also provided. We have continuously expanded its market in the whole globe and established good relationships with customers from all over the world. Our mission is to bring deep sleep to the world. We sincerely hope we can work with you and greet a wonderful future.